Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to feel better about yourself easily. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I will be talking about 4 simple things that you can do to feel better about yourself. And it'll be a tutorial, like an instructional video tutorial, because I'll be sort of explaining how to do it, okay? So these are the 4 things. Starting off with number 1. Number 1 is talk about your great features. You have many great features about yourself, and if you want to feel better about yourself, you have to let them be known. Sometimes they get lost in translation. Sometimes they get lost in the back of your mind, but allow them to be known. Talk about your great features. I'm not saying talk about your great features to everyone else, because that might be perceived as bragging, but literally just talk to yourself and say, you know what? I do this very, very well. I am great at this. Like, talk about your great features literally to yourself. Okay, you'll start to feel better about yourself very, very quickly when you start doing that. Okay, that's number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is forgive yourself. Listen, oftentimes we feel bad about things that we've done and we don't forgive ourselves, and that allows us to not feel good about ourselves. But if you want to feel better about yourself, you have to forgive yourself. So literally, for things that you have done that you think you can be forgiven or you should be forgiven for those things, forgive yourself for them. If you feel like you should be forgiven for those things or you can be forgiven for those things, then forgive yourself for them. You'll start feeling better like very, very shortly after doing that. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is do something good. Literally, just get up and do something good. If you do something good, whether it's something productive, whether it's something work related, whether it's something personal related, whether it is something task related, to do related, whatever it is, like whatever you do, sports related, it doesn't matter. By getting up and by doing something good, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna feel better about yourself very, very quickly, okay? So do something good. It'll just allow you to feel pumped up and feel better about yourself overall. Last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is talk to someone positive. Listen, maybe you're surrounded by negativity in your life, and that's one of the reasons why you're not feeling great about yourself. Go and talk to someone positive. If you have a positive friend, you have a positive family member, you have a positive neighbor, go talk to someone positive. They're going to bring some light into your day, which will help you in feeling better about yourself. And it's literally that simple. Those are the things that I believe that you should do that will help you feel better about yourself. Simple as that. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.